So when you come off the elevator, you're gonna take an immediate left, and that's 412. But let's take a look at the lobby down here. This is just redone. Let's head in. So 412 is a 1-bedroom. It is a corner unit. So hallway down to the living room. Got a nice big bedroom here. So this is a good sized bed. Plenty of room for if you want to have, you know, any type of dressers or anything like that. There's plenty of room for that. Now this does come furnished. Washer dryer. Lots of closet space here. Now this door here leads to the bathroom. So we've got 2 ways to get in the bathroom, from the hallway or directly from the bedroom. Granite tops, granite flooring, granite tub surround, and you can see this is an extra deep tub. So if you like to take baths, it's a nice one. Got oak flooring, coat closet. These are your mechanicals. So you've got your furnace, which is electric, and then your hot water tank. And then bam, you got the great room. So we got our kitchen, again, granite. We got flat maple cabinets, stainless appliances, island. And then we've got the living area. So, you know, this could be set up however you want it. They've got it set up so eating is primarily at the island, and you've got the living area, and then you've got kind of a lounging area, and then a desk overlooking the view. So pretty cool. Got all the bridges, flats, east banks over there. And then we also have a balcony. So lots of stuff happening down here. That building over there, there's the macaroni and cheese throwdown happening this weekend. We got different apartments around here, Harbor Inn. This area is really developed into kind of a music area. We've got Globe Iron, which is a newer venue just on the other side of these buildings here. Music Box is down here. Jacob's Pavilion is over here. So we got a lot going on down here, you know, as far as music goes and things to walk to. Flatiron's right across the bridge. And then they're developing a huge park over across the Turn Bridge. It's like 27 acres or something like that. It's going to be really amazing. So great opportunity to get into Stonebridge Plaza. Beautiful unit. And that's about it. So this is the Stonebridge Plaza. This is one of the exercise rooms, the cardio room. And we'll go upstairs and see the weight room, downstairs, sorry. So we just saw the cardio room on the 6th. This is the 5th floor. And this is the weight room.